Zamfara Disability Board trains persons with disability on sexual reproductive health rights. The Zamfara State Persons with Disabilities Board ZSPwDB has organized a 2-day sexual and reproductive health and rights SRHR awareness and service workshop for persons with disability in Gusau, bringing together 100 participants from different disability clusters across the state. The workshop focused on improving participants' knowledge of sexual and reproductive health, gender-based violence prevention, maternal health, reproductive cancers, sexual transmitted infections, urinary tract infection, personal health management, and the provision of the Zamfara State Disability Law. Speaking at the opening, the executive chairman of the board, Usman Ahmad, said the initiative was aimed at empowering persons with disabilities with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed decisions about their health, dignity, and rights. At the close of the workshop, the board secretary, Dr. Biyaminu Umar Kaura, urged participants to share the knowledge gained with others in their community and disability groups, reaffirming the board's commitment to promoting health awareness, protecting rights, and advancing the inclusion of persons with disabilities across Zamfara State.